Hi, in this session we will explore the science behind cardiopulmonary resuscitation, commonly known as CPR. The human brain, although constituting only about 2% of our body weight, demands a staggering 20% of the body's oxygen supply. This highlights how crucial oxygen is for the brain to function. Time becomes a critical factor in cardiac emergency scenarios. In just a minute without blood flow, brain cells start to deteriorate due to the lack of oxygen. After about 4 minutes, irreversible brain injury sets in, and within 7 minutes without intervention, the likelihood of successful resuscitation decreases significantly. The concept of CPR revolves around the application of rhythmic chest compressions that simulate the natural beating of the heart. This bridging action serves as a lifeline, temporarily maintaining blood circulation until professional medical assistance is available. CPR has two main goals: protecting the brain. CPR keeps giving oxygen-rich blood to the brain, keeping it working properly. Keeping blood flowing. Strong chest compressions help blood move all over the body, saving organs from damage due to the lack of oxygen. Now let's get into the steps of CPR. It's a two-part process involving how deep you press and how fast you press, compression rate and compression depth. Compression depth: you need to press at least 2 inches deep. This is about 1/3 of the chest's depth. This force helps the blood move properly throughout the body. And the compression rate: you keep a steady pace of about 100 to 120 compressions per minute. This helps the blood reach important places like the brain where oxygen is needed. Common errors to avoid during CPR include shallow compressions and sufficient time for chest recoil. With shallow compressions, where the compressions lack the force or depth, they fail to generate enough pressure to effectively circulate the blood throughout the body. With chest recoil, each compression should be followed by a full chest recoil. This moment of relaxation allows the heart to refill adequately, maintaining sufficient blood volume and oxygen delivery. In essence, the main goal of CPR is to keep oxygen-rich blood moving to the brain. It helps protect the brain and organs until medical help arrives or an AED becomes available.